Hello and welcome to the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's the number 14 seed Angels Primary from St. Catherine up against the Bridgeport Primary, also from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Bridgeport Primary won. They decided to have Angels Primary play first. So Angels Primary, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. In which garden did Jesus pray before his crucifixion, Angels?
Garden of Gethsemane.
Garden of Gethsemane.
That's correct. Bridgeport, Bible knowledge. How did Judas signal Jesus' identity to the Roman officials before the crucifixion?
By a kiss.
That's correct. Angels science. What's the name of the tiny air sacs found at the end of the bronchi branches in the lungs?
Alveoli.
That's correct. Bridgeport science. What's the name of the main muscle that is used when we breathe in?
Diaphragm.
That's correct. Angels Jamaican Affairs, it's a visual question team. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Rudyard Spencer.
That's incorrect. It's a Member of Parliament Ian Hales. Bridgeport Jamaican Affairs, visual question for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Fitz Jackson. Fitz Jackson.
That's incorrect. Member of Parliament Julian Robinson. Angels English language. Spell regurgitate.
Regurgitate.
That's right. Bridgeport English language. Spell resounding.
Resounding.
That's right. Angels Television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Vin Diesel.
That's incorrect. He's Christian Bale. Bridgeport Television, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Derek McDonald.
That's incorrect. It's Robert De Niro. General knowledge for you, Angels. What's the capital of Australia?
Canberra.
That's right. Bridgeport, general knowledge. What's the capital of Norway?
Holland.
That's incorrect. It's Oslo. Angels social studies. In which Jamaican parish can you find the Plantain Garden River?
St. Thomas.
That's correct. Bridgeport social studies. In which Jamaican parish can you find the Deans River?
St. Anne.
That's incorrect. It's Westmoreland. Angels music. What's the name of a musical piece performed by 3 persons?
Trio.
That's correct. Bridgeport music. By how much does a flat lower a musical note? Time's up. Question passes. Angels, would you like to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
Semitone. 1 semitone.
Or a half step. That's correct. Angel, still with you in mathematics. What's the next term in the sequence? 2, 5, 10, 17, 26. That's incorrect. It's 37. Bridgeport mathematics, what's the next term in the sequence? 7, 11, 13, 17, 19.
23. 23.
23 is correct. And that brings us to the end of section 1 with Angels Primary on 7 points, Bridgeport Primary on 4 points. Now before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, if you see anything on the internet which makes you uncomfortable, speak to your parents or an adult you trust. Stay with us. TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after this.